Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Gimana kabarnya teman-teman? Nah, jadi di video kali ini saya kembali lagi buatkan untuk file config terbaru untuk Gcam, yaitu BSG 8.1. Ini config natural. Nah, jadi ada 10 hari ya kalau nggak salah, atau bisa lebih ya, saya nggak upload video soalnya ada kesibukan yang nggak bisa saya tinggalkan dan nggak ada kesempatan untuk membuatkan file config dan membagikan ke kalian ya. Nah, jadi kali ini saya akan langsung bagikan untuk file config Gcam BSG 8.1 untuk hasil yang warna natural. Dan untuk file config ini support di banyak device ya teman-teman. Pokoknya yang sudah bisa dipasangin Google Kamera BSG 8.1. Dan untuk hasil warnanya itu sangat natural banget. Pokoknya silahkan dicoba untuk di handphone kalian. Dan di sini saya sediakan untuk 3 format, yaitu format bawaan atau auto, dan JPEG dan UV. Sesuaikan aja dengan level kamera 2HP kalian. Dan di sini saya tidak memberikan tutorial lengkapnya untuk cara mendownload atau memasang Google Kamera atau menerapkan file config-nya di Gcam BSG 8.1 ini. Buat kalian yang belum tahu silahkan cek di deskripsi untuk video tutorialnya, linknya sudah saya taruh di situ. Dan jika teman-teman ingin mencoba file config dari Clone Wars, silahkan di download saja langsung, untuk linknya sudah saya taruh di deskripsi juga, dan beserta file aplikasinya. Jika teman-teman sudah mempunyai, silahkan di download untuk file config-nya aja. Oke, langsung aja seperti apa untuk hasil-hasilnya, silahkan disimak untuk video reviewnya. Dan jangan di skip-skip, untuk passwordnya nanti akan muncul di tengah-tengah video. Jadi untuk file config ini berformat zip, nanti kalian harus mengekstrak terlebih dahulu ya. Jadi silakan kalian dapatkan terlebih dahulu untuk passwordnya. Untuk passwordnya yaitu nanti akan muncul, yaitu ada 6 angka di tengah-tengah video. Oke, seperti apa untuk hasilnya, silahkan disimak.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Smile until I look away, but I've known known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits some loose shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip.